Hi guys, you welcome to Goldbeauty channel. Welcome to advanced facial yoga. Make sure your back is straight. You have to bring your elbows close to each other. If you don't stick, there is no problem. Wrists should reach behind the neck. In this movement, we want to correct the posture of the body. With this movement, you will no longer hunch. Make sure wrists should reach behind the neck. Pay attention to inhaling and exhaling. When you raise your hands up, we will inhale and exhale downwards. Do this movement 10 times. This step is the reverse of the previous step. Keep your back straight and do not hunch over the whole time. By moving the hand upwards, we inhale and exhale downwards. Do it with me. Do these two movements and feel its wonderful effects on your hump. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. And don't forget to like. In this step, we open the mouth and press the tongue under the lower surface of the teeth. The pressure of the hand will be upwards. The neck muscles are involved in this pressure. If you don't feel a stretch in the neck area, you didn't do the exercise correctly. Do this exercise up to 3 sets. In this exercise, we divide the double chin area into 2 parts. We take help from the right hand on the left side. The thumb does the main work and the index finger acts as a support. Pay attention that the pressure of the hand should be such that the skin is pulled up and not down. In this step, we actually do the whole work with the neck. We constantly contract the skin and muscles of the neck area. This will tighten the neck area. Because with this work, your small line will deepen, we hold the small line with our hands. Similarly, we keep our hands in this position to prevent wrinkles around the eyes. Look up and chin up. Put your lips together and stay in the movement for 5 seconds. If your head is down for a long time on the phone or while reading a book, your neck may go out of its natural position, which can be solved by performing the following exercises. It's enough to do neck exercises for 4 to 5 minutes a day to eliminate the negative effects. Only move the neck without puckering the lips. turn the head to the right and left, try to look behind you with your eyes. Now lift the head to the top right and top left to feel more tension in the neck area. And finally, by tapping, we remove tension and congestion from this area. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye!